What's going on, man? Y'all see I'm back with another video. Now, I did not want to record this. I was just gonna finish what I was doing, drop another video with everything done as far as the insides. But one of my subscribers was like, hey, I want to see the how you put the body harness and stuff on. So with that being said, I might as well just let y'all see me finish the vehicle, because yeah, I just wanted to do it, not record it, you feel me? So I really had to refilm this part because the lighting was just so bad in this area. I'm pretty sure you can see it better now, but that's the hole I was saying, and the body harness, you know, mostly everything on this side you're gonna need. That's what I really wanted to show, like the firewall area. Oh boy, the lighting sucks. There we go. So there you go. Y'all see it's going around. Got like my AC and stuff that running through the firewall. So y'all see that part. I cleaned it up real good. Got it running to the lights. Boom. You feel me? I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this yet, but I need all that. So I don't know how I'm gonna tuck that just yet. Feel me? Boom. That's how it ran, my boy. And of course, like the dash, if I can get this lighting right, this hole right here, the dash harness will come in and these plug up to the dash. Boom. You see, I kind of still got stuff labeled, you know, oil. This a meter. I'm guessing this was the tack that they already got all of the power stuff. So, yes sir. I already put this on. I'm gonna hook it up. Gonna do the dash. So watch me work. Probably gonna put my door panels back on too. Throw that dash in there. Finish that floor. I found out what my leak was is actually on that side where I got that bag at. So yeah, bro. Let's see. That's how it looking. We just spray all that and spray all that. Gotta clean it up first. Alright, that's how it looking. Next time I might use like a representative actual primer. This primer too, but it rubberized, but it's different. But next time I might use regular primer. Cause this, yeah, that's how she looking. So I guess while I let this dry, I'm gonna start putting all this back together. Now I don't know if I showed on YouTube. I think I posted on my Instagram, but I don't think I showed on YouTube like the final look. I had a button up harness, took the wires out that I didn't need, you know, cut, splice, make it look way better. You feel me? This coming off a little bit, but boom. And I tell y'all, it did not look like this. Now this is the stuff I'll be splicing into for my my engine harness, this right here. So that's why this pig tail is cut. You know, I added that. Really finna just wipe this down because it's hella dusty. So Pretty good, y'all. It wasn't even all the way dry, but I don't care, bro. I wasn't finna keep waiting. How she looking? I'm finna throw that tape on there to make it look all. You'll see, man. Y'all will see. Y'all, I made hella progress, bro. Man, bro. I know y'all like, bro, show me, bro. Only thing I need, y'all, is my carpet. Then I can have a fully loaded interior. But this is how far I got. Let's go. Finish this. You feel me? So right now, I'm doing this side. Later down the line, probably the last thing I'm gonna do is put the cover on top of this. But I got my speakers and everything for the top. Wire still ran. Now I had to poke 2 holes for the heater core. Everything still everything. You feel me? But yeah, man, that's the that bit. I ain't want a long video of me, you know, putting everything together. I still had to like find stuff and a whole lot of miscellaneous stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this on, get the wires right here by the door situated, and we're gonna go from there. And that's all she wrote, y'all. Ooh, that bit's so nasty. Yeah, that black and blue gonna hit hard together. Sadly, I'm gonna be really double working myself, meaning like once I get ready to start doing my paint, I'm gonna have to take these back off and I'm gonna paint all through here, you know, under the door. I think like I'm gonna do my jams, but that's how she looking, man. I done finally put all that in there. Throw this to the side. That's how she look. Now I just need carpet. I already got my interior, like as far as the center console. I got the little thing go right there. I got all my door jams and all of that stuff. I'll probably not run carpet in the back. I'm still left with some insulation, so I'll probably insulate the whole trunk also, but I ain't gonna record that. I don't know if I'm gonna put the little carpet in that area yet. So yeah, man, that's how she looking. Whoo, but them doors hard, boy. I ain't even gonna stunt. Can't even see. Yeah, boy, I'm effing with that. I'm effing with that. So that's all I'm gonna do for now. I was gonna throw my steering column and going to throw my pedals in. I was going to do the whole shebang. You feel me? But I was thinking like, why put the steering column in if I don't got no steering wheel? Then I'm gonna have to kind of bring the steering column down a little bit when I get my gauges and stuff. But in the meantime, I put the steering column in when I get my steering wheel. Yeah, that. And when I do my headliner, when I do that, then I'm gonna put my little A-pillar things on, because I got those too. And shoot, of course the interior will go in once I get my carpet. So yeah, man, that's the gist, that's the rundown. Yeah. I think I can say, man, till next time, y'all stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? If you like the video, like it. You feel me? If you ain't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And I'm out. I had to stay down to come up. I had to switch up my auto. Jumped in the Hellcat.